In this video, which I usually do every 2 weeks, I'm going to reveal the biggest discounts on electric cars. And honestly, they're pretty shocking. Up to $10,000 discounts. In some cases, there's been even bigger discounts. But right now, I'm going to reveal the 2 biggest discounts on EVs in the US and some of the biggest in Australia as well. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. Great to have you with us. Let's get straight to it. Chevy Equinox. You can get a $10,000 discount on the Equinox EV right now. If you're from Australia, guys, don't worry. There's plenty of discounts I'll share with you in a minute for the Australian market. Equinox EV discounts result in about a 20% discount off the MSRP. So that's pretty incredible, actually. The max $10,000 discount is on the RS trim. And Chevy increased the savings on the LT1 model from $6,500 to $8,000. But there's also some kind of customer cash deal you can get. Guys, there's a $6,500 customer cash discount on the lowest price Equinox EV LT. That's US dollars, so that's like a 10,000 Australian dollar discount. The lowest price Equinox EV is 30,000 US dollars with this discount, $6,500 discount. Meaning actually it's only about $2,000 more than the Chevy Bolt. So the Equinox is a pretty damn good deal right now. The cheapest Chevy Equinox EV, the LT1 front-wheel drive, has 320 miles of EPA range. So that's probably about 550 kilometers of WLTP range if you're from another country. That compares with 262 miles of range for the Bolt. And obviously the Equinox is a fair bit bigger as well. Looking at this, the range from Chevy, the base model gets 319 miles of range, and that's the most range any of the Equinox EVs actually get. But anyway, regardless, up to $10,000 US dollar discount on the Equinox EV. But is that as good of a discount as Hyundai or Hyundai's IONIQ 5 discounts? $10,000 US dollars off the price. Yeah, that's really good. That means they start now at a price of, well, the base model is 35,000 US dollars for the IONIQ 5. And that's for the base SE standard range model, which only has 245 miles of EPA range. Meanwhile, the extended range SE rear-wheel drive, that costs $37,500. So you pay an extra $2,500 and you're getting 318 miles of EPA range. In Australia, that range is, I think it's about 570, 580 kilometers of range. WLTP, of course, so it's a little different. By the way, all these IONIQ 5 models have 350 kilowatt charging, and they can add, I believe, 178 miles of range in 15 minutes. So yeah, about a $10,000 discount off the prices of most of the IONIQ 5 models in the range in the US, making them a much better option than in Australia. In Australia, the IONIQ 5 is just too expensive in comparison to other rivals on the market. Now, speaking of other rivals on the market, the brand new Kia EV3, it's pretty much brand new, has been discounted now by up to $4,500 here in Australia. Pricing for the EV3 Air standard range, which is not the model I'd be getting, but that's the cheapest model, that has 436 kilometers of range. Pricing starts at $47,000 drive away. 46,990 drive away. That's Australian dollars. So it's about 30,000 US dollars for the Kia EV3. Now that's versus the previous price drive away, which would have been about 53,000. It's actually a pretty big discount on the base model, but this is the model I'd be getting. The 604 kilometers of range EV3 Air long range, that's $53,000 drive away. Previously, it was $53,315 plus on-road costs. So that's a pretty big discount. That's probably going to work out to be a $3,000 to $4,000 discount on the long range, which is the best version, the best model that they offer. The Earth long range, which has less range because it's got bigger wheels, it's $59,000 drive away instead of $59,000 plus on-road costs. So it's about a $4,000 discount on that model as well. You can also get the EV3 GT line long range, which is not great value, but anyway, that's $68,500 drive away. So that the discount on that one is only about $1,000. But the entry-level Air standard range discount, that worked out to $5,300. So the base model works out to a big discount, but you don't really want the base model. There's better alternatives from Chinese-made cars and much better value. It's the long range, that mid-spec model, that I think is the sweet spot. If you want a car with a lot of range, then that's a pretty good option. If you'd like to book a paid consultation, you can do so, and I'll put a link in the description below. If you want advice on what electric car to buy, solar systems, all that kind of stuff, you can do that. Next, we've got the Leapmotor C10. The Leapmotor C10 is available with a $4,000 factory discount, bonus offers of $2,000 and $4,000 off. A little bit confusing here, guys, but the base model Leapmotor C10 Design EV, guys, this is a similar size car to a Tesla Model Y, pretty big. It starts at $45,888 plus on-road costs, but it's now $47,990 including drive-away prices. So it's a $1,750 discount. Plus, they're also giving a summer bonus program. They're saying $4,000 off the C10 Design and the C10 Style EV. So Leapmotor C10 EV is on average about $5,000 or $6,000 discount on the normal pricing, which is actually very good. But probably a bit of a better discount than that is the similar car, similar segment, and I've driven it a few times. I actually think it drives really well, the Deepal S07 electric SUV. And this has pretty good range, 480 kilometers of range. It's got a lithium iron phosphate battery, 80 kilowatt hour battery, good, really good size battery. You can get these right now with free charging for 12 months on the EV network. The EV network is probably the best network if you're going from, say, Melbourne to Sydney, capital cities. So right now you can get a discount of $6,100 cash back, plus the free charging I mentioned for 12 months, $6,100 cash back. That means the price comes down from $50,000 to $44,000. It's about the price of a BYD Atto 3, but honestly, it's actually better in nearly every way than a BYD Atto 3. So that's maybe the best deal here in Australia going right now. However, it's worth pointing out there's two other deals. Xpeng's G6, that's been discounted, the long range version, which I have, to $55,000. So for an EV with 570 kilometers of range, 290 kilowatt fast charging, a 570 litre boot, a really good sized car. It's very similar to a Tesla Model Y in a lot of ways. For $55,000, that's a really good deal. And, you know, I'd strongly consider one of those for sure. Obviously, I've already bought one, so I can't buy another one. Anyway, Smart. So Smart is a joint venture brand. Geely owns 50%, Mercedes-Benz owns the other 50%. Obviously, of course, they are made in China, but Smart's doing some discounts as well. They have cut the prices of all of their models, the Smart Hashtag 1, the Smart Hashtag 3, the Smart Hashtag 2. All of them have discounts, in some cases of up to $13,500. $13,500 for some of the Smart models available. They've only got dealerships in 3 different states, I believe, one in Brisbane, one in Queensland, and one in Melbourne, which is a bit of a drawback. But, I mean, they're actually pretty good cars. And there is one big positive to these cars, which is they're quite unique. There's not a lot that have been sold. So that means if you buy a Smart, then, well, unlikely you're going to see someone else anytime soon with one. So it's going to be a lot of curiosity and people saying, what have you got? What car is that? Tell me about it. Which could be good, could be bad, depending on how you look at it. But anyway, Smart EVs, I think they're pretty good. And Geely is a parent company, so obviously they're kind of like a sister brand to Zeekr and Volvo. So those are the best discounts that I've seen in the last couple of weeks in the United States and here in Australia. I'll start trying to add in some deals in the UK and Europe to my next version of this video. Guys, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Guys, if you want to install solar panels, a home battery, or a home charger, the best way to do this for your situation is to go to the links in the description below, and they'll take you to a page where you can compare everyone. So depending on where it doesn't matter where you live, a lot of people email me all the time saying, well, what solar system should I get? Who should I go with? What battery should I get? What electric charger should I get? Well, click in the links in the description, and you can actually compare all the different choices and find the best deal for you. I'll put that link in the description below. Additionally, there is a battery savings calculator link and also a federal battery rebate calculator. I personally have found that I'm not paying for electricity at all, and that's including charging my 2 electric cars and also running my home power, my home sauna, nothing. Not paying anything at all. And I think a lot of people are getting misled. They think that getting a battery is not worth it. Actually, I think it is worth it. So those links are in the description below.